First question, an analog signal carries 4 bits in each signal element. If 100 signal elements are sent per second, find baud rate and the bit rate. So we know baud rate is equal to number of signal element. So here the number of signal element is 1000 signal elements. So here the baud rate is 1000 per second. And bit rate, the relationship between bit rate and baud rate is bit rate is equal to baud rate into number of bits per signal element. So here baud rate is 1000 and number of bits per each signal element is 4 bits. So here number of bits per signal element is 4. So the bit rate is 4000 bits per second. Next question, the bit rate of a signal is 3000 if each signal elements carry 6 bits. What is the baud rate? And baud rate, we can find it from bit rate as, from this equation, bit rate divided by number of bits per sample. So here bit rate is 3000. So bit rate is 3000 divided by each signal element carries 6 bits. So here 3000 divided by 6. So here the answer is 500 watt per second. Next question, given bandwidth of 5000 Hz for an ASK signal, what are the baud rate and bit rate? And in ASK, baud rate is same as the bandwidth. So here bandwidth is 5000 Hz. So baud rate is equal to bandwidth. So that is equal to 5000 watt per second. And also we have to find the bit rate. And bit rate for ASK, bit rate is equal to baud rate. So bit rate also 5000 bits per second. Next question, given a bandwidth of 10,000 Hz, the range is 1000 Hz to 11,000 Hz. Find the carriers and bandwidth in each direction. So we have to find bandwidth. So bandwidth is limit, and this is, so find the bandwidth, and this is mentioned here is in each direction. So this is a full duplex mode. So bandwidth is maximum 10,000 divided by 2. So this is 5000 Hz for each direction. So exactly half of the bandwidth we use for forward and backward direction. So the bandwidth is this total bandwidth divided by 2. So this is a bandwidth of each direction. And also carrier frequencies. So we have to find C forward and also backward. So in forward means we have to choose the lower limit. So FC forward, that is equal to, the lower range is 1000 Hz plus bandwidth of this forward direction divided by 2. So this is 1000 plus 5000 divided by 2. So we will get 1000 plus 2500, that is equal to 3500 Hz. Similarly, the backward, we consider the upper limit here 11,000. So 11,000 minus 5000 divided by 2. So here 11,000 minus 2500. So here the answer is 8500 Hz. So the bandwidth in each direction is 5000 Hz and forward carrier frequency is 3500 Hz and backward carrier frequency is 8500 Hz. That means the center frequency of this forward direction and this is a backward direction. Next question, find the maximum bit rates for an FSK signal if the bandwidth of the medium is 12,000 Hz and the difference between the two carriers must be at least 2000 Hz. Transmission is the full duplex mode. In FSK, bandwidth is equal to baud rate plus the frequency difference FC1 plus FC0. So we have to find the bit rate, and here in FSK bit rate is equal to baud rate. So from this equation we can find the baud rate. So baud rate is equal to bandwidth minus FC1 minus FC0, and here bandwidth is 12,000 minus the carrier difference is 2000 Hz. So here bandwidth in each direction we have to find. So bandwidth divided by 2. So divided by 2 into this 2000. So we will get 6000 minus 2000. The answer here is 4000 and this is baud rate, and in FSK baud rate is equal to bit rate. So bit rate is equal to 4000 bits per second. Next question, given a bandwidth of 5000 Hz for an 8 PSK signal, what are the baud rate and bit rate? And here in PSK bandwidth is equal to baud rate. So baud rate here is 5000 baud per second. And also here this is 8 PSK. So bit rate is 3 times the baud rate, that is in 8 PSK bit rate is equal to 3 into baud rate. So that is 3 into 1000. So 15,000 bits per second. So this is a bit rate of